guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my December Bellabox, so let's get into it. So the man literally came 5 minutes ago, so I'm like ready to do this. I only just got my November one, like a couple weeks, like not even a couple weeks ago, like the last week of November. So it's only been a couple weeks, but let's do the Bellabox. So last December, Bellabox was amazing, and I will link the video for that one down below. But their Christmas box last year was pretty good. I got like a toothbrush and everything, like a proper big electrical toothbrush. They had a red box, like it was so festive. So we'll see what they've done for this one. So it is a blue box. I was expecting a red box, but you know, guess they're a bit busy. Finally, a top card, and it says, all I want for Christmas, and there are a list of products. Now the first thing I see is gotten a bit squished, but it is a makeup brush, a fan brush. Like, I love that they should start including more brushes. Like, this is awesome. I want to build my brush collection. There's no brand written on it. Card says it's a Bellabox branded fan brush. This holiday season we have an extra special present for our Bellas that goes hand in hand with another product in the box, so I won't spoil it. This custom made fan brush is a must for elevating your highlight game. Oh, and then it says to complete your collection you can go to the Bellabox website. I mean, I have some fan brushes. I don't have a lot of experience with them, but I'm definitely keen to try this one out. It does feel quite soft, and I love the blue handle. So yeah, I'm very excited that we got a brush. Like, give us more brushes, please. Like, this is amazing. Thank you. This box is like, turn it up. I just wish they did this every month. And the before mentioned product that this fan brush is supposed to go with is this STYLondon contour palette. We have received STYLondon, that was in the last December box, and we received an eyeshadow palette. So we got another palette. So this one says, for the beauty junkie who has it all, enter this blockbuster palette, loaded with your daily essential face items, blush, banana powder, highlighter and bronzer. It is the perfect all-in-one palette. $32, available at STYLondon.com. So I'm not a big fan of banana powder, so I don't think I would, just because I'm so fair. And that bronzer is quite dark, if I do say so myself. As well as the highlighter. I feel like the blush is going to be the only thing that's going to suit my skin tone. It's still great. I can definitely use the bronzer as an eyeshadow, same with the highlighter. So those products definitely won't go to waste just because I am a snowman. Yeah, I'm so excited we're finally getting makeup. They shouldn't have just saved it. They just do it every month. Don't save it for 1 month, do it every month. So those are the 4 powders. We've got the bronzer, the highlighter, the blush and the banana powder. The highlighter is very much gold. Can't wait to try these ones out, and I didn't think this through. Now the next product in the box, another really exciting product, and it is a beauty makeup sponge from ModelRock. So we previously, I don't know if it was the last box or the month before that, we got some eyelashes from ModelRock, and now we have a sponge. Now, like, I love my sponges. It looks to be the same shape as the Real Techniques one that I love. And yeah, happy to have another sponge to the collection. It's called the Base Maker. Ooh, it's so soft and squishy. It's promising. It's not too hard or anything. So this sponge, it says introducing the secret weapon to seriously flawless, streak-free finish in a flash. ModelRock's teardrop-shaped sponge for a high-def airbrush skin and perfectly sculpted features. $16.95, available at the ModelRock Lashes website. So pretty similar price to Real Techniques. Hopefully the quality does match up. But that is, again, another exciting product. Like Bellabox, if you don't want to include makeup, please include the tools, like a brush and a sponge. Love that. Next, we have a product from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It is the Anti-Oxidant Firming Lotion with Marine Seaweed. It says, firm, tone and tighten skin with coconut antioxidant firming lotion. Apply this hard-working, unique blend into your skin and it will leave it nourished, silky and visibly firmer. Available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So, interesting. I would love to firm out some of these wrinkles. And the whole seaweed thing does intrigue me. Again, it does smell like the normal Palmer's coconut products, so at least it doesn't have like a green seaweed sort of smell. But yeah, interested to try this one out. I'm keen to see if it makes me firmer. And next, like, this needs to be every month, okay, Bellabox? Do this box every month, okay? Have this amount of makeup and products every month, because the next one is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Like, again, this is the box that we want every month. Makeup products, brushes, sponges, a little tiny bit of skincare. Not all skincare and once every 3 months have a makeup product. Like, we need makeup every month, okay? We need it every month. So this Soft Matte Lip Cream is in the shade Can. And it says, seriously gorgeous lips are just a few swipes away. The Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss will be music to your lips this holiday season. Highly pigmented, the glossy lip is a no-hit wonder, while the Soft Matte Lip Cream, a fan favourite, is a new kind of lip colour that goes on silky smooth and sets a matte finish. So you could have gotten a number of NYX products. Could have got a Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss or a Soft Matte Lip Cream. So I got the Soft Matte Lip Cream. The Soft Matte Lip Cream is available at Priceline for $12.95. The lip gloss at Priceline for $14.95. So I did get the cheaper one. Still so happy though, like, and it's a gorgeous colour. A gorgeous berry shade, great for the holiday season. Absolutely love this so much. Thank you for this amazing box, Bellabox. Such an amazing box. And the last one is our bonus sachets, and it is a Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner, or the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fiber Shampoo and Conditioner. So I got the Bamboo Fibers one. There's no information, it's just bonus. I'll pop these in the shower and give them a shot. But yeah guys, that is everything in the box. I am astounded that this is the kind of quality that Bellabox has been able to produce but hasn't been. Like, we do get amazing products maybe 2 or 3 times a year. Why not every month? Like, so many other subscription boxes in Australia and other countries do it. Why can't Bellabox do this quality every month? We've gotten a lip product, a face palette, a brush and a sponge with a skincare item. Not 4 skincare items and then a hair care item. Like, I'm not in it for the skincare, I'm not in it for the hair care. I have tons of that stuff. I'm in it for the makeup. And this box has definitely satisfied my needs. I just really hope that this does continue in 2019 and that it isn't just kind of like wait till next year sort of thing. I really do hope this continues, because this is definitely the sort of box that I want to be receiving, and it's the reason why I signed up to Bellabox in the first place. And I know that my opinion is shared by so many people, not just by reading the comments in my own videos, but seeing the comments on their Instagram and their Facebook. A lot of people have the same opinions. They want makeup heavy boxes. They just don't want same samples that they receive time and time again of moisturizer or shampoo and conditioner. Like, if it's the bonus, no hate whatsoever. I absolutely love to receive those as bonuses. But yeah, I'm really happy with this box. I'm so happy with everything I got. This lip color is so gorgeous. I'm so keen to try out that face palette because they were quite buttery in the finger swatches. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your Bella box, and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next year, guys. Merry Christmas!